Plan a fun day out with your kids at Dubai's top family-friendly experiences. From incredible entertainment at malls around the city during Dubai Summer Surprises, to a live show with Peppa Pig, a cooking class for children, and community runs for all ages. Take your pick from a packed calendar of events and make lasting memories with your loved ones. Before jumping into the video, do make sure to subscribe to get updated with the latest content. Make the most of Dubai's perfect weather by planning a family day out at Dubai Harbour. The marina has been transformed into a buzzing destination for happening at the harbour, a community festival with food, fun, and festivities for all ages, from the 29th of November to the 28th of March. Browse unique wares by popular homegrown brands on display at over 70 stalls, while live acts keep you entertained. Little ones will be spoiled for choice with an array of rides, holiday-themed activities, and a craft corner to keep them busy. Tuck into delectable plates from 15 F&B outlets like Drip Burger, Mama Italia, and Taco Taco, or grab a drink from Coffee Matters or eQuencher. Entry is free. If you're looking for a market that showcases the best of Emirati and regional culture, then head to the Ramadan district in DIFC. From the 15th of March to the 4th of April, Jumeirah Emirates Towers Arena will transform into a hub featuring homegrown brands, must-see entertainment, unique concepts, and so much more. The free-to-enter market will showcase a wide range of culinary products, homeware items, apparel, and accessories from some of the region's most celebrated designers and artists. Kids and parents will also be able to enjoy a dedicated children's area with plenty of workshops and activities to keep you entertained. Enjoy the best of Arabian hospitality while indulging in a variety of cultural delights. At Ramadan District, you can experience the traditional customs of Ramadan, including fasting, prayer, and reflection. Enjoy the best of Arabian hospitality with food trucks serving incredible delights and delicacies. Ramadan brings joy to millions every year, and iconic destinations around Dubai are looking forward to inviting residents and visitors alike to spend this special time together around a magnificent fireworks display in the skies. Get ready to watch the night skies light up in sparkling and unforgettable displays of enchanting fireworks as the city comes together to celebrate the joyous month of Ramadan. Join in the festivities with family and friends every weekend at Al Seef and Dubai Festival City Mall, Blue Waters and the Beach, JBR. Visitors to Blue Waters and the Beach, JBR can watch a spectacular fireworks show brought to you by Al Zaruni Group from 15 to the 17th of March. The following weekend from 22 to the 24th of March, head to Al Seef for yet more incredible displays of fireworks illuminating the skies. The amazing show returns to Blue Waters and the Beach, JBR from 29 to the 31st of March. Don't miss the last shows in the Ramadan Fireworks Night series. Head to Dubai Festival City Mall to celebrate the upcoming Eid al-Fitr celebrations from 5 to the 7th of April. Enjoy unbeatable views of the celebrations from one of the many sought-after dining hotspots and make the most of these special moments with the ones you love. Each show starts at 10 p.m. and is free to attend. City Walk, home to hundreds of exclusive shops and must-visit restaurants, is hosting an unmissable Ramadan night market from the 10th of March to the 8th of April. Located next to the Green Planet, visitors to the pop-up event can expect to find a variety of affordable goods perfect for the gifting season. Families will also find incredible live entertainment and themed music events at the must-visit urban destination. That's not all. Dine at participating restaurants and cafes to receive ticket points worth 50 dirhams. Dine at City Walk or the beach, JBR during Iftar at least 3 times to qualify. Whether you're staying in one of the world-class hotels, visiting friends living on the beach, JBR, or simply exploring the idyllic beachside destination you're in for a treat this Ramadan. Join in the festivities with family and friends and watch the Dubai skies light up in sparkling and unforgettable displays of fireworks from 15, the 17th of March, and 29, the 31st of March. Get together with friends and family for a delicious iftar buffet at the Queen Elizabeth II. Experience fine Emirati hospitality while you dine on Arabic and international favorites at Iftar Al Malika. Savor delectable dishes from live cooking stations and indulge in sweet treats at the dessert section. Reserve your tables today at 159 dirhams per adult or 90 dirhams for children between the ages of 6 and 11. Kids below the age of 6 can dine for free. Dates are subject to change based on the sighting of the moon. Indulge in a sumptuous iftar at Atlantis, the Palms Assatir tent, during the holy month of Ramadan. With exciting theme nights highlighting Arab Sikhi, Turkish, Persian, and Khaliji cuisine, this luxe dining experience is truly unmissable. Savor hot-off-the-grill meats with traditional Arabic flavors, or head to the shawarma station for your favorite rotisserie wraps. Desserts fans won't be disappointed as the menu boasts kunafa and osmaliya with ashta, as well as ice creams and a chocolate fountain. Elevate your evening by booking their Royal Majlis or VIP Majlis seatings, available for both large groups and families, with stunning water views. The venue will also be serving suhoor from 10 p.m. to 3 a.m. with an array of dishes like hot mezzi, manikish soup, and grilled platters. Now, as we wrap up this video, I'm already dreaming about our next destination. Make sure to stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Until then, happy travels. To watch more content like this, subscribe to Travelspot.